Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. So let's do a quick update on QS. Yeah, it looks like unfortunately we have a breakout. Okay, remember, breakouts consist of to the upside or the downside. In this case, yeah, it looks like it's to the downside from the 3-day candles, not the weekly. So we'll go over the details here as quickly as we possibly can. If you're new and just kind of keep you up to speed, we'll leave a link in the video. Watch that. Come back. And then everything we'll say moving forward here will make more sense. So, yeah, so welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action only. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's August the 16th, 2021, and the current price of QS is going to be $20, or the previous close, rather. $20.66, slightly negative 4.9% for the day. Looks like we have zero activity going on in the post market there. 20 cents. I'm sorry, $20.60. Okay. All right. Hopefully you guys are doing well. ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the original lines. Okay. For those of you who did watch the last video and then you came back, hopefully you're fully aware why we have the green line here and the red line there. You know, just support, resistance, support. And we did also find a very small rectangular range that, yeah, unfortunately, guys, the market just closed below that range. Now, I'm hoping that I had the lines maybe a little bit off. That way tomorrow, you know, we just get a really nice push to the upside. By the way, we're not invested in this stock. We did play it in and out some time ago. We bet the channel on this stock. But right now we have I can't say official. We have a close below that lower line down at about $21. So I remember I told you guys I'd give you guys an update when we get a breakout. So this breakout is consisting of a candle closing below that line to the downside. And yeah, so there has to be a bullish counter move immediately. I mean, like within 3 days, preferably tomorrow, and just like truly take out this entire green candle, because this is going to be an active sell wall in the market, and the buyers truly need to step in, like seriously now, like after hours, like do something. Because if they do start to, you know, get a little bit weak, the previous level of support is pretty far below the price there, guys. I can't make that up, okay? The market has been bouncing off that green line, just consolidating sideways, hopefully not in preparation to just kind of rip the price to the downside, because it's just near the double digits there, $10.58. I know, bulls. I hope I'm wrong about it, but yeah. It's been in this range, guys. I can't make that up. Let's pull up the weekly candles. Maybe we can see it a little bit better. Because the best case scenario, as we explained on the last video, the best case scenario was to just kind of sideways consolidate within a 21 to 26 range. Remember, guys, this is a critical range for a reason. When we put out videos saying that it's a critical range, we're not just blowing smoke, guys. We've done our technical research, and we've plotted these levels on the chart. If the buyers do not step in within this range, or like kind of above the range, I didn't want the price to actually get within this range. I just wanted it to kind of stay above that top of the range at about 25.60. And, you know, just kind of break out to the upside. But unfortunately, if there's not enough buying pressure, then, I mean, I don't have enough capital to support the market here. I'll support the market when I see that there's a sufficient amount of buying pressure entering the market so that I can flow with the market operators. Okay, guys, I never go against the banks or the market operators. They move the markets. Okay, so it's our jobs, right? And you guys can help me down in the comment section to identify reversals. And so far, I'm not seeing a reversal in the chart here. So please understand, I'm never coming on the mic saying that I know everything and that this is official, it's going to break down, it's going to crash. No, I'm actually not sure. But according to the technicals and according to the levels that I've put on the chart, that we've had on the chart for some time, it's breaking down below that range. So let's see what happens here. Let's give the market at least 3 days. You guys know I look at the 3-day and the weekly candles. The 3-day just closed, so we got to close below that level. Let's just hope it pops back above that $21 level, okay? I don't enter the market based on hope, guys. I enter the market based on confirmation. And so far, the previous level of support, technically speaking, from a 3-day candles perspective, is going to be precisely $21.76 at the red line that I just put on the chart there. So $21.76, let's just say over the next 3 market days, you see some pushing to the upside, and the buyers are trying to kind of push back up, you know, to kind of save it from that potential catastrophic move to the downside. Then just understand that the market needs to get back above that 21.76 if you take notes. 21.76. Let's see if we can see anything else. Let's pull up some moving averages here on the 3-day, perhaps. Maybe we can see something. Yeah, the moving averages are far away from the price, guys. I mean, it's not even close. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, we don't see the 200, only the 50 exponential moving average on the 3-day candles here. Let's erase the volume, pull up the daily candles. I'm just trying to find some bullish reasoning to justify that the markets will likely move up soon. And unfortunately, I don't see it as of yet. Please, one of my fellow compadres vouch for me in the comment section. We've definitely made a beautiful call on this market recently. Well, not recently. It was some time ago. And I'll definitely, be transparent with you guys when I see something. But right now, not seeing it, guys. No. Not seeing any bullish momentum here, unfortunately. So that's all I have. I just repeated myself like 7 times. So hopefully you guys got that. 2176. It truly needs to, it's almost like being submerged under water right now, so to speak. And if it can't pop its head back above that water, the water line to breathe would be 2176. Anything above that to poke its head back above to breathe. Yeah, I consider this market potentially suffocating, so to speak. I know that's probably a horrific analogy, but yeah, guys. All right, I'm not sure if this is going to play out. I'm not sure how fast it will happen. These markets kind of gap down sometimes, so just protect yourself out there, okay? $10 target potentially incoming. Let's say that I'm wrong. We'll close the video. Hang on, guys. Let me pull up one more thing. Let's do this. Let's say that I'm somewhat on the wrong track, okay? Because when you tend to break below a support level, at least you'll get a test at some point in the future. So what do I mean by that? Let's erase everything for 1 second. So I want to put a horizontal line on the chart, like right about here, right there. So notice how, let's see if we can do a quick playback. This video is going to be long now, I think. Let's do a playback. Let's erase everything, all the moving averages. So remember when I just said that sometimes when you break below a support level, you'll tend to get at least a test back above that level. It'll essentially look like this on the path. Pardon any noise in the background. Festivities going on. If it kind of breaks down, right? As soon as you get that official breakdown, the market tends to pause, right? The buyers tend to step in and say, hang on, take it easy there, bud. And they slow the price down, and then they push the markets up to get a retest of the previous level of support so it can act as resistance, maybe a double top to verify that there's not as much buying pressure in the market, and then of course continue lower at the most recent swing low here, which we just got another swing low in the market, so it would essentially break down. Hopefully, not hopefully, we have an official close, so it has broken down officially, not officially. It has broken down. And it could be a fake out, but I already given you the level, 2176. Okay, and yeah, let's just see how this plays out, guys. All right, so that's all I have. Wish I had better news. Well, I guess we didn't even play it out there for the bulls, but yeah, unfortunately, guys, this market needs to push higher. So we'll close the video out. Hopefully, you guys enjoy that. Hopefully, you have the one level that the buyers need to break back above to get itself from unsubmerged under the water and breathe back above that 2176 level. So we'll cut the video out. Yeah, so we're going to leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. You see that? How I got a retest of that previous level of support, and now it's breaking down. Also, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So kindly subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. All right, I appreciate your time. Stopping out. Execute your strategies in the market. Always be kind. Positive energy. Always. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.